I'm just going to put there. Na feel mwenyewe na wezi do both. You just can't practice and Hey loves, welcome back again, and if you're new here, then my name's Lucy Kenga, and if you're returning back and this is home for you, then welcome back again, and thank you for choosing and clicking this video to watch it again. And so today, as per request from my younger daughter, she wanted yogurt so bad. Like, she didn't want me to buy yogurt, she wants me to make for her yogurt. You know, if you're a kid, then you love your mom's food, what she makes for you. So yeah, watch, and I hope that you like this video. And yes, it's simple. You can learn how to make yogurt at the comfort of your home. It's really very simple to make yogurt at home, and you can of course make this for yourself, you can make this for your family, you can make this for your kids. So tag along, come along with me, and let's make this yogurt. I got you. Okay guys, I'm filming and it's the evening. It's evening. Oh, it's evening. Yes. What time is it? 6. I think it's 6:40, going to 7. And I want to give out a disclaimer. If you are seeing this video and it's not clear for you, just know I've filmed in the evening. I usually film in the morning. That's why I get a natural lighting, and yeah, so I decided just to do this out of demand from Alison. She wants yogurt so bad. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, she wants homemade yogurt. Let me make it clear. It's not that she wants yogurt like the yogurt from the shops, the bought one. No, she doesn't want that. She wants homemade yogurt. And yeah, so we said let us make this video for you. So there's someone there making so. And I'm sweating. Let me tell you guys, yani, Mombasa has been so hot. It has been so hot like nothing before. I don't know why. I think it's because it's December. December gets hot. So hot, like you sweat until you. So I'm going to use this milk. There is my drink, guys. You can go watch this video of how to make a drink to how to have a flat stomach without any exercise using this drink. You can go watch that video. As you can see, it's there. I use it myself. I told you guys that I'm going to show you things which I do myself, not things which I research and tell them to you. No, just things I do and apply to my life too. So there's the drink. If you want to know how to make this drink, I'll link that video. You can go and watch this video. So today I just have this milk. I bought it from the shop. Actually, I said it's this simple to make yogurt at home. You need just milk, your fresh milk, and your natural plain yogurt, which has live culture in it. Like it's written here. I don't know if you can see, if it will focus. You see here, ingredients. There has to be these ingredients like live culture. So you can use bio oil. It's so good and so recommended when you want to make your own yogurt at home. Just natural plain yogurt, or nature plain, just plain yogurt, as long as it has that live culture. So I'm just going to warm this. Don't boil this milk, just warm it to the temperature where you can put your hand and not be burnt with it, like when you warm baby's milk for them to drink. I'm going just to warm this, and then I'll show you how to do it. So I'm just going to heat this milk, not boil it. I'm just going to heat it a little bit, like you give it, let's say you give it like 4 minutes, and it will be ready for us to prepare our yogurt. So our milk is ready. I'm going to switch off our heat and put it in a jar. So guys, the other ingredients I forgot to show you is your flavor, and I'm going to use this vanilla flavor. This the camera doesn't want to focus. This is chocolate. No! Vanilla for okay, it's not bad. You can use chocolate flavor, but as long as also you can add something like Choco Primo, the chocolate flavors. The drinking chocolate, you can add them there, or the chocolate itself, if you have it, you melt it down, then you can add it there, and then your yogurt will be chocolate flavored. But I don't want chocolate flavored yogurt, I just want vanilla. So I'm going to use this vanilla essence flavor. You can use strawberry flavor, and of course again you can add a little bit of color so that you have that vanilla good looking yogurt, if you understand me, guys. So I'm just going to use this strawberry vanilla. You can have that strawberry good looking yogurt. So me, I'm going to use vanilla to make it so simple and plain. And you're going to need a thermos or a flask, something, anything to keep the same temperature, the milk the same temperature up to Ashley, stop laughing at me. The same temperature for like 12 hours. So we are going to open this flask tomorrow in the morning. Tomorrow in the morning we are going to open this flask and see how our yogurt turned out. So yes, you can use a flask to just make this yogurt, as long as the milk stays the same temperature throughout those hours. So yeah, there goes our milk in the flask. Not all of it. My mind was far away. Sorry guys, my mind was so far away. I don't know what I was thinking. Like, don't be like this, guys. Don't have stress up to this like this until your mind is not there. Like, no, life is not worth that. Life is worth living for the moment and praying and hoping for the best, having faith and staying positive always, as I always say it. So when we leave behind a little bit of milk inside your jug or a cup, and then what you do is that plain yogurt, that light culture yogurt, you add it there. And Alison was wondering, like, Mom, I want yogurt, why are you cooking milk? Oh, I don't want milk. She thought I was making milk. Alison,
yeah,
this is how yogurt is made, Mom. So yeah, I'm just going to stir this and add it to the flask. Add it here, and we shall open this. You see, like, it starts to turn yogurt already. So we are going to open this flask tomorrow in the morning and check out our yogurt, how it is. Then tomorrow we are going to add this vanilla essence flavor. So yeah. So see you tomorrow, Mr. Flask. And see how I've sweat, and Ashley has to film me like this. So until tomorrow, sleep well, and we'll be back tomorrow after 12 hours. Peace out.
Next morning.
So guys, this is the next day, and yeah, we're going to check our yogurt, how it is, and let's hope it turns out nicely. Yeah, there it is. We have our whiskers. The whisk it. Yeah. So I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to add like 4 tablespoons. It's heavy, thick. I mean, it's very thick. And yeah, I'll whisk that. So I'm going to add the flavor. Remember, I'm using vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. So I'm just going to add a half tablespoon. That is a teaspoonful, like that. And our yogurt is ready. Just have to mix it all well so that the sugar dissolves. And I'm going just to whisk this again. I'm going to whisk until the sugar dissolves. Make sure all the sugar is dissolved well. So yeah, our yogurt is ready. So I'm going just to put my yogurt here and refrigerate it. And then after I refrigerate it, it will be very good and yummy for the family. But I'm going to put for Alison first so that she won't take all the yogurt. And even you can freeze this, you eat frozen yogurt. So guys, this recipe I got it from Febinine, and I'll link that video of hers on the comment section, on the description box down below. You can check her recipe out, guys, on her channel. So yeah, there goes our yogurt. Thank you Febinine for the recipe. Alison wants yogurt. I forgot. I'm putting it to the fridge, but I forgot to put for her. So let me put for her. That's for Alison. Alison, Come take your yogurt, it's ready. That is Alison, and she's going to drink her yogurt. And the rest I'm going to put it in the fridge. There it is. So till next time guys, see you for the next video, for the next vlogmas. Bye.